don't think that it should be shaking like a stripper like that. Well, it's not really shaking. One of these back here is shaking, and I'm not doing it over. I'm not. Hey y'all, I am naturally Curlysa, and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be trying out these magic curlers. I saw these on Hazel Goddess's page, and she always does her hair with ease like it's nothing. This is nothing. I can do this. Me, on the other hand, I'm scared out of my mind, but I just got these yesterday. I'm ready to try them out. So I already washed my hair. They are like these little silicone thingies. Pop them in, pop them out. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to put them in and take them out and seeing what didn't work and what did work. Today I am only going to be using some leave-in. Yep, it's back. I'm also going to be using this Creamy Nature Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. When I'm doing any type of roller sets or anything like that, perm rod, I want to use the least amount of product as possible so my hair will dry. So you want to see how this turns out just like I want to see how this turns out? Keep watching. Alright, I'm nervous. Do I look nervous? Because I am. Alright, so I'm just going to take this down. And I'm going to work from the back to the front. I usually don't do that, but I'm a horrible parter. Take my water bottle. And then I'm going to take 2 pumps. Alright, so these come in 2 sizes. They got medium, small, and big. And I'm going to take one of these big ones and pop it open. Twist my root a little bit. And hold on. Let's try it again. One more time. Okay. That's one. I choose you, Pikachu. It's the one I'm gonna choose. Okay, she said, hold it away from your face. Okay. Okay, let's see that. Okay, I'm scared. That's too much air. Okay, look at me going real fast like I know what I'm doing. Do I look like I know what I'm doing? Because I don't. It's a little shaky. A little shaky on the landing, but we'll deal with that later. Okay, so far this is what I have done. Don't laugh at me too hard, because I don't know. I mean, they're really not that hard to put in. I think it's because I can't see. That's where the struggle comes in at. This one is just flopping up here. I hope this is the whole back half of my hair, because I can't see. I'm over it already. And believe it or not, a part will make or break your hairstyle. Alright, that'll have to do. I'm just gonna put some leave-in conditioner on all of this. My hair's shaking like a stripper in the back there. I think they're supposed to be flat to your head. Oh, this fell. I gotta fix that. I don't know. I just don't know. Shouldn't be hanging like that. I got hair sticking out. Alright, we're gonna try this with a bigger one. Yeah, I think it was too much hair. Okay. Alright. This is turning out to be a disaster. I haven't even taken it down yet. Okay, that was kind of easy. That was kind of easy. It's the amount of hair I'm putting into it, because I put the right amount of hair, it shouldn't mess up. I just don't think that it should be shaking like a stripper like that. Well, it's not really shaking. One of these back here is shaking, and I'm not doing it over. I'm not. Ooh, that feels a little tighter than the rest. Okay. So I think, guys, it's the amount of hair that I'm putting on it. I'm putting 10 on it when I really need to just put a 2. Because that one went in a little bit more smoother than the rest. About the best that's gonna get. We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. I don't know why I'm saying we, because I'm doing this by myself, but almost done. I pray a little bit before I put everyone in, so if you see me close my eyes, what is this? Oh, that's not it. That is not the move. That's the move. That's the move. Okay. Alright, I'm almost done. I got one side to go. And it seems like it's just gonna take forever. I'm ready for this to be done already. Alright, so I'm done. I did not record this side because I got so frustrated. I had to get up and look in the mirror. There's a whole different technique for the right side of my head that I didn't figure out until probably here, and these kept falling and shaking, so I had to redo some. I'm really just over it at this point, so I'm gonna let this dry, come back tomorrow when I take this down, and let's see if I wasted my time. Honestly, once I got the technique, it was easy to put these in. They're easier than perm rods for sure. I hope they're comfortable to sleep in. It feels like they will be, but learning the technique was trash, and I'm over it. So, see y'all in the next clip for the takedown. This morning, and I slept the night away. I'm about to take these down. Honestly, I had a great night's sleep. This is the best sleep I've actually had in some rollers. So let's go ahead and see the results. I don't think my hair is dry. My hair is still wet. It's been like 19 to 20 hours. So I'm gonna see if I can save this by blow drying.
these pieces before I separate them.
Because they still got a nice little curl. I'm sad. Alright, so I went ahead and got my blow dryer and on medium heat on high, and I just blow dry the rest of this and put a little oil in it because all is not lost. I don't hate it. I really don't. And I feel like it can be saved. So I'm about to separate these pieces and see what I can do to save it. It's not as shrunken as a perm rod, which is what I like. And yeah, it's more like a long finger coil. Alright, so this is one side taken down, minus all that frizz I just created. And let's take down this other side. Alright, so I'm gonna fluff this a little bit. My pick. And then come back with my finished results, because you know this got to go behind my ear. And we'll get it together. So alright, so I'm all done. Do I hate it? No. I actually really like it. I would have loved to see how it would have turned out if it was not still wet, but I still saved it. So all of that frustration from yesterday was worth it. I didn't have to do much fluffing because my hair was already fluffed out. I'm just filling some big pieces in here that I forgot. But overall, I like them, and I would love to see how they work on dry hair. Will I use them again? Yes, I will. And next time I'll probably sit under my bonnet dryer for a little bit before I go to bed, just to speed up the drying process. My hair had about 19 to 20 hours to dry. Let me just say it like that. And it still was not dry. So this is a hairstyle where you would definitely need to sit under some type of dryer, as well as, you know, giving yourself a few hours to sleep. No, giving yourself more than a few hours to let it dry if you don't sit under the dryer for a good amount of time. I don't know what I'm talking about. So I love it. Let's see if I can turn to the back. Don't know if you guys can see that. It's really light, really fluffy, which is why I said that I don't like to put a lot of product in my hair when I'm doing these, because of the fact that it doesn't dry. But if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa, same as my YouTube name, just without an underscore. Don't worry about it, I'm not confused. It's right there. So I'll see y'all on the next video.